It's a deal, baby cakes. Now you go off and fix yourself up a nice squirrely dinner, and we'll deliver Mr. Right to the table.
Timon, was that you?
Yes. Is there a problem? So?
I, Timon, am going to cure you.
Oh, well, I must just look better, that's all. Burp. Yeah, I still feel really awful inside.
I hear someone sneaking.
If you want to get the chimp to show, you gotta give the chimp a show.
Look.
Gee, Timon, maybe being an elephant. Have you seen my bug pal or haven't you?
No.
Well, it should be easy enough to spot him.
Scream.
Nah.
Sky.
No.
Melch.
Ah.
Well, then I have one last brilliant...
Now, or forever hold you.
Excuse me.
Look no further, Rosebud. I'm your man. Rugged and untamed, if you'll pardon.
Ooh, love, I love him so.
Sweeter than sugar.
You are coming to my party, aren't you, Herman?
Now, say something.
You are standing too close to the wildebeest. Sorry, man. That delicious bug of yours just looked too darn delicious to resist.
And I thought you were bad.
Possess all those rare qualities: cunning, agility, split second, timing. $443. You had 443 also.
Even Steven?
Yeah, looks that way. Guess we're gonna have to have ourselves a little tiebreaker.
What do you say we call it even?
It's a deal. Never seen a mere catfish before.
Fight the hand that feeds us? Manners, Pumbaa, manners.
But Timon, that's just it. You know, that was the last time I'll ever eat cockroach casserole parmesan with my tusks.
And not 1 ounce of polar bear.
Hello there, Pumbaa.
I'm telling you, I smelled awful. Like I've been swimming in a stink mud pond.
Oh, well.
Hakuna Matata!
We saved the Apple Festival.
Yes, sir. All bugs handed over, sir.
Outstanding job!
Oh, nice one, Timon.
Good one, Pumbaa.
Bravo!
Exquisite.
Beautiful!
To get rid of guinea fowl, you gotta think like guinea fowl. Now, think!
Such strange customs.
Thanks, you're too kind, really.
As for you, I have never seen such a rude, filthy, uncultured peasant.
Why don't you share some of your more aromatic qualities with our lovely hostess here,
And yet sweet Billy Bob has also captivated my interest.
But is it me, or is it a little warm out tonight?
So what do you say, Doc? Is he cured? A long way to come for a meal, but worth it.
You sure didn't eat much, though, Mr. Foot.
I'll throw in my Tickle Me Pumbaa doll. Not yet available in stores. Coochie, coochie. I don't know why they call them there bugs pests, Pumbaa. Reckon I was real glad to see them. What do you call it anyway? We call it Timon and Pumbaa's Jungle Party Salsa. Catchy.
Very catchy. What's it made of?
Say, Timon, wouldn't it be cool if we were captain of this great big ship? This way!
That way.
This way!
That way. That was the best.
Excuse me.
We could use a little education.
What are you, crazy? I got all the smarts I need. I'm unimprovable.
Sorry, Pumbaa.
Must. In the South Pacific!
Oi. I've always wanted to be a biker, Timon. They're just like us. They have no worries, no cares, no jobs, and they're not sticklers for hygiene. If they just ate bugs, you want me to leave my hog? Ignore the call of the open road?
I'm awfully hungry.
Sorry, kid. You're in training. Besides, these babies will ruin your social life.
Oops. Excuse me. I'm the champ. I did it. It's a dream come true.
I'm gonna rip you to shreds. I'm gonna make you sorry you were ever born. I'm gonna lay down now. No one can stop the Burpinator! Challenging the Burpinator tonight is the newest.
Especially with our toes tied up like this.